Hello, good day, and welcome to another video tutorials from Theta Digitals. Like you know, I'm your host Thompson, and I'll be the one taking you through the walkthrough tutorials of our latest EdTech platform, Marksheet. So if you're new here, subscribe to this channel, and if you are yet to see our videos or know what Marksheet is, you can watch our first video or our previous video where we discussed about Marksheet. And we discussed about how to onboard your school yourself. You don't need to pay anyone to do that, and you don't even need a computer literate to do that. You can onboard yourself. We've discussed about how you can set up your school, and we've discussed about how, okay, today we're going to discuss something else. Now, from the last video where we discussed how to set up your school, we've added a few things to the platform. Now, the reason for this is that we got messages from some of our users that every school using Marksheet looks the same. So the same portal, the same dashboard, the same everything. So we intended to create a customized feature where you can customize everything in your school, so it looks unique to your school. Now, apart from the logo, the name of your school and everything, now you can customize a little bit of features in your school. So we are going to go on that today. So how do you start your customizing? You go to make sure you're logged in as an admin. I'm logged in as the admin of Dallo International Model College. Then scroll down to where you have your system menu. Then scroll down, you see a new sub-menu there called appearance. So if you click on this appearance, you'll be able to change. It's also under the school settings, but you'll be able to change a few things. Like for instance, you can see we have this royal blue as the default color, so you can decide to keep it as deep green. If you click on save settings, then you'd have green here. Everything about the school will be green. You can decide to use black if you are okay with dark theme. You can use black. We have other colors. We have we have the deep gold color, so you can decide to use the deep gold color. So I'm gonna stay with purple for now. Let me stay with purple for now. And another thing is that you can change your login view, your login screen. Now, this is the default login screen. If I decide to use this login screen, all I need to do is click on this screen. If I want to use this split screen, all right, to use this split screen, I'll click on it. Then it will request for some information. For instance, there's an image here. It will tell you, do you want to use any image? Then you can click on choose file. If you have any downloaded image, you use that image. I'm going to use this image. Then you can decide to customize what you have there, the text and everything. So you set that here, set your subheading, and once you're done, you go to save settings. Now, if you sign out, you would see that, as you can see, our login has been changed. Our login page has been changed. So with this, you can customize your login, and we'll promise you that we keep adding more customization to the login to make sure you have a lot of options to customize your school. So if you have other probably login screen that you've seen and you love it, you can take a screenshot, you can send it to us. If you have a particular color that you wish to see on the platform, you can get the color and send it to us, and we will fix this, and you see the effects on your dashboard. So that is what we're going to be doing for today. So in the next video, we'll be teaching you how to create your staff account and how to create your student account. Till then.